Hi, I'm Jan Hogarth from PlaceMate Architects. We are renovation specialists in Brisbane, and today I'm giving you a long-range weather forecast for the construction industry. Just in case you're looking at your family and thinking, one day, in the not too distant future, we need a bigger house. Because you're looking at your primary school age children and you're imagining what they'll be like as teenagers. Or your mother has said, oh, it'd be so great to move in with you guys. I'm really looking forward to it. And at the moment you're going, oh my goodness, that's a long way away. We can't afford it. It's going to be too much. I don't want to even think about this. I don't need a bigger house. I will just put it in the future. And now I'm predicting the future for you. It's a risk now. It's going to be a lot of money. But what's coming is the Olympics. This means that we are heading guaranteed into a massive building boom. We already know there's a $3.8 billion stadium being built in the centre of Brisbane, and they haven't even released the swim centre, the accommodation, the whitewater rafting, all of this stuff, which means that the big end of town is going to be using a lot of building trades and a lot of materials. Prices are guaranteed to go up. Building times are going to go much longer, and there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. Guaranteed. And we know when the timing is. The Olympics is open in 2032. Most of those venues have to be finished in 2031 so they can just test drive them a bit beforehand, which means they're going to be built in 2031, 2030, 29, and they'll be coming out of the ground in 2028. Now, if you're thinking of a renovation, it takes about a year to prepare by the time you've gone through the architects and the town planning and all that sort of stuff in order to get a quote, and it'll take about a year to build. Right, it's 2026 now. Think about it. 26, 27, 28. Do you really want to be building during an Olympic construction boom? So if you are thinking of doing renovations anytime before 2032, get on the phone to the architects now. You need to book in a space, you need to line up your builders before it just goes completely nuts. Either that, or just give us a call in about 2032 when everything's died and no one's got any money left, and you'll be able to find a good builder then too. So that's the tip. The Olympics are coming. If you're thinking of renovating, get started now. I'm Jan Hogarth from PlaceMate Architects. Just give us a call.